In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give prompts to Notebooklm. To begin, open your web browser and go to Notebooklm. Once the page loads, make sure you are inside the notebook where you want to work. Notebooklm is designed to help you research and summarize information based on sources you bring in, so the first part of this process focuses on adding the right material. Next, look for the highlight option and click on it. This is where you will start defining what you want Notebooklm to focus on. After you click highlight, type directly into the highlight area. Use clear, specific wording here, because this text guides what the tool will search for and how it will frame the information it collects. A helpful tip is to include the exact topic and the angle you want, such as a definition, a comparison, or a quick overview, instead of writing something broad. After entering your highlight text, find the language option and click on it. This lets you control the language used for the research and results. Choose the language that matches your audience or the sources you expect to work best with. Keeping the language consistent usually leads to cleaner outputs and fewer translation issues. Now click on Best Sources from the Web. This tells Notebooklm that you want it to pull in high-quality web results related to your highlight text. Then click on Fast Research. You may see Fast Research appear again in the interface, so click on Fast Research once more to confirm and continue the process. This step is meant to quickly gather relevant material, so keep your highlight text focused to avoid bringing in unrelated sources. When you are ready to proceed, click the arrow forward button. This moves you to the next stage where you can bring the selected findings into your notebook. Then click Import. Importing adds the research results as usable sources, which makes your prompts much more effective because Notebooklm can cite and reference what it has loaded. Finally, go to the prompt box. You can click on one of the suggested prompts to get started quickly, or you can start typing your own prompt in the box. If you type your own, be direct about what you want, such as a summary, key points, or an explanation based only on the imported sources. That covers everything you need to know.